South African man has most likely found himself in the doghouse after mixing up his priorities during a shipwreck. Graham Anley and his wife Cheryl were on a 3-month sailing trip to Madagascar when their yacht hit a reef on August the 4th. But instead of aiding his wife, he decided to help his 9-year-old Jack Russell Terrier Rosie first. As Gawker points out, Graham swam Rosie back to land and then he headed back to save his wife, whose safety line had become snagged on the steering wheel. "Don't worry, honey, I'm just going to go down with the ship." Yeah, well, the couple plans on salvaging what they can of their yacht, but I don't know, if I were Graham Anley, I'd be a little bit more concerned about salvaging the good grace of my wife. But, you know, each to their own.